Hey everybody, Brian Barr from Foreign Cars Charlotte. We're going to take a look at our Triumph TR4. It's a 1966 model, and it's the TR4A, which had the independent rear suspension, or commonly known as IRS. This TR4A was restored in 2011, and it was done to a very high standard. Wonderful job. They completed new floor pans, several body panels, lots of new trim on the car, and it was really taken to the next level. You can see by the interior there, we had the walnut dash and a satin finish. We have kind of a day two option going on with the Minilite style wheels and the TR4A hubcaps. That distinctive front end, a British roadster designed by an Italian. The TR4A is a wonderful driving car and leaps and bounds ahead of its predecessors, the TR2 and the TR3. Let's take a quick startup video and we'll hear that roarty little 2.5 liter English motor. What a great exhaust note. And let's see what's making all that noise. The TR4 featured a 2.5 liter inline four. This one has twin SU carburetors, very neat, very tidy installation during the restoration. They just did a great job, a fantastic job. This car is one of the better and well-sorted TR4s that I've seen, period, let alone the added benefit of it being a TR4A with the IRS. It drives great. New STAX shocks are on it. A wonderful complete engine rebuild. Just a marvelous, great running little roadster. Well, that, folks, was the 1966 TR4A. Little cool fact about the TR4 is it was never entered in competition officially by Triumph, but their U.S. subsidiary, had a competition manager, and in '65, he took a TR4 and won the D-Production National Championship. You can relive those dreams today. Come in and see us at Foreign Cars Charlotte, right off Tyvola Road. We're glad to help you out. I'm Brian. We'll see you soon.